What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode. It's the day after my previous video. So if you guys don't remember, we went ahead and got this new shelving that I'm super happy about, got it all organized. So today I'm going to be getting this all cleaned out because we got a new addition to the shop that I'm super happy about. These fans right here are just not cutting it. It gets really hot. So I went ahead and picked up this brand new shop fan. So stoked. So I'm going to go ahead and be getting this installed today. And then also later, Danny with that blue G35 that I introduced you guys to last time, he's going to be coming by and we're going to be installing a throttle body onto his build. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you smash that thumbs up and subscribe. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. Shane's already getting started, so I'll probably just film a little bit getting this set up, and then hopefully it works really well. Here it is, guys. Got the new shop fan, and of course, gotta throw on the sticker. So we're gonna turn it on, and hopefully it's good.
Hopefully it's
the fan fucking straight into
destination shit.
Oh god, straight into my car. Yeah, because the fan does look like it sits pretty far back. See, the other way though, it won't be like that. So that's what I'm wondering. I think the fan is supposed to be on the other side. But then how would you tighten it is what I'm saying.
You do have a gap.
It's on?
Doesn't hit.
Okay, fuck it. Let's see. Hit it? So that's one? Or is that off?
That's off.
Okay, so off. One. It has 3 speeds. It has 3 speeds. Is it blowing that way? Do you feel it? I don't really feel that much, to be honest. I'm standing right here and I don't feel shit. I feel it at my legs. So it in fact was on backwards, so we had to put another sticker. But now this shit should blow nicely.
I don't.
What? What were you gonna say?
I don't think it's gonna make a difference.
I do. I think it will. Yeah, there you go. That's what a
weird, dude.
That's what I told you. It depends on. Oh my god. Yes.
Oh,
bro. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but this is nice. Oh, that feels great. That's gonna be nice working in here now. You can see it blows pretty nicely. And you could like, you could tilt it however you want as well. You gotta loosen it, but. Alright guys, we got the homie back over here looking all professional. Sir, yes sir. So we're gonna be installing a throttle body today. There's the spacer. Okay.
look at the logos. They separate.
Ooh. So you know what you're doing, right? Because I've never done it before.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, right? I've never done this either.
So that's the game plan for today. So we're going to be throwing the throttle body on. And since I have the car out and it's actually day, let's go ahead and check out this rear lip right here. Oh, you can see it much better now with that third brake light. It's still pretty hard to see on camera, but yeah, it's going to look really good. So excited. Oh, I love it.
Alright guys, so there's 4 Allen heads right here. I got those loosened off. Danny's popping them off. The plug's already off. I already got the adapter plug on there for the new throttle body. And the only thing we really have to do now is fuel lines, which are going to be underneath to the left. And then pop this one on. We got the new adapter plate and O-rings and hardware. We should be chilling, bro. 30-minute job. Nothing. Alright guys, so being as it is a bigger throttle body, we need to go get a new coupler real quick that opens up a little bit, and also 2 little plugs or covers for these, cap these off. So quick trip to AutoZone or something, we'll be right back.
So they didn't have any couplers or whatever you want to call these things to fit this at the store. They went to AutoZone, they didn't have it. So I'm gonna use my heat gun, try to heat this up to get it to fit. As you can see, it needs to stretch out just a bit. It's exact same size, so it needs to stretch out not too much. But I'm gonna try to get this on there and hopefully it fits. So, huh?
You got bored?
No, I just did it for you. So Shane just came back and got me this shirt.
This is why I told you not to do it.
They go on there?
Yes.
Alright, well fuck it, it's like 5 bolts. Single, married, in the garage. That's so cool. That's it. Here you go.
Did you have them?
The what, these?
Got them, yeah. Get the honors, bro. Doesn't fit.
Nah, it'll go on. I already tried it when I had both on. It did go. Yeah, there you go. Yep. What size was it again? 75 millimeter.
You know what the stock one is?
72.
3 mil, that's it?
It'll make a
I thought it was
difference.
going to be like 70.
I think it'll make a difference, to be honest.
I just thought it was going to be a little bit bigger of a change.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just yeet this little piece off right here because it's hitting part of the, what is it?
The throttle body, or the intake manifold.
Intake manifold. It's hitting the intake manifold, allowing this bolt to not go in. So we're just going to go ahead and cut this off, and then we should be good after that. So that should be good. And we
Not
can
focusing, not focusing.
just go ahead and squeeze this bad boy back on there.
Is it hot? Bam.
Cool.
Fixed.
Bolts. Guys, we got that on. So with that piece being cut, it allowed it to fit. So pretty much it's just plug and play. Babe, it's just plug and play now. Plug and play. You should have slid that on first.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Actually, fuck it. Just take that off.
What?
The bolt. And
Easy
the
to
washer.
just-
And the washer. And then I can just do this. Son of a bitch!
Now what?
What?
You're an idiot.
Why am I an idiot?
Cuz. Oh my god, Shane.
You know what, Lewis? Had enough of your shit.
Just pull it.
Oh, baby. Come on, get off. Why is it so tight? Freak out! Okay. So, these are tight, right?
Everything's tight.
Start with it. Boom! Alright, wherever that bolt
Fingers crossed.
Get ready to turn it off real quick and fix.
There it is. I'm just kidding. Do you have a check engine?
Yeah.
Yeah. So was it always on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Started right up, dude.
Yeah.
I knew it didn't go in the intake. Get a little revy rev. What?
Yeah, go for it. You can give a little one, yeah.
Not go crazy.
Go again. God damn, dude. Sounds good, huh? Did it. He's like, what do I do? Yo. Nice. You, my sir, have 5,000 horsepower now.
1,000.
This is all the way on, right?
Yeah.
That's as much as the hose comes up? Cool. I can trust you, right?
Yeah.
Dude. Oh shit. Babe, if I don't come back, I love you. Alright. Huh? Thank you.
Yeah, it's hiding a little bit high. Oh shit.
Oh, go ahead. Done, done. It feels like it pulls more than when I last felt it. What do you think though? Can you feel a difference?
Yeah, a little bit. I feel like it takes off a little bit faster.
Nice. Not too bad, not too bad. Say less. He's gonna give me the honors of putting us, which you can't even see. Where do you want it? Me and my girlfriend both have ours on the side, but you could put it, I mean,
Mine's on the back.
you tell me.
To the side.
The side? Hey, all right, right here. We're gonna put it. All right. Oops. I did the same thing on your car. All right, right here's cool.
Yeah. Drop it?
No, I stuck it to his car. Oh no, not beer. Wait, I can't do it. You do it better.
My beer.
Not beer.
Oh dear, my beer. Yes. Don't disrespect big time. or they call me. I told them the other day I'm on it because they know I drink a lot of beer. Well, just call me Big 30 Pack.
Good? You like it right there?
You should check if the hub on the Lexus fits this way. We'll do the steering wheel.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the girlfriend's front lip now. I think we're gonna try to get it color matched today. I just found some paint. It's Toyota Pearl White, same color, so why not?
Oh, the bird shit on it.
All right, guys, I just got the whole lip sanded. So this is the last time it's gonna be black. I'm gonna go ahead and mask everything off, move my car out, and then go ahead and get this bad boy painted. Guys, got it all primered. Looks really good. Only 2 coats, a very light coat and then a heavy coat. I like it. That actually looks good just like that, huh? You happy so far? All right, we're gonna start throwing down the white. If we don't have enough, we're gonna have to make a trip to AutoZone, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw clear after that. Peel it off, see how she looks. Hopefully it matches somewhat close.
But it looks very good.
On camera, it looks perfect.
Does it?
And that's all that matters.
Let me see.
As long as it looks good on camera,
Perfect.
then that's good. We'll say it's perfect, but it's a little off, but it's actually not bad. What do you think? Do you like it?
I think it's really cool. But it's good.
Look, I don't know. You guys can't see the pearl, but damn. Dude, it looks good.
Better than the black for sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think.
I'm trying to learn Spanish. I'm talking about Speedy Gonzalez. He's like, andale, arriba, arriba.
I was explaining to him that it's, in the Mexican language, it's used different ways. So when he says arriba, that means like up or like high up. If you say like andale, andale, like arriba, that means like
So when you
come
say
on, pick up the
andale,
pace.
arriba, it's like hurry up.
Yeah, like, hurry up, like pick up the pace. basically.
We're bringing him too.
We are?
Yeah.
Yep.
she
We are?
wants to bring
He's not
her.
gonna bark.
Okay. You're coming with us.
You ready, papas?
You're coming with us.
Arriba.
This pool looks creepy at night. But we're gonna be going in this hot tub to end off this video today. Yeah, dude, I gotta close off the video, bruh. I'm a vlogger, homie. I always have a camera on me.
I think you forgot your shorts last night.
Babe, are those yours?
That was fun.
You forgot your shorts?
It's the exact same spot they were last night too.
That's too funny.
Wait. Oh, they
I want to start closing my videos off with something inspirational.
Good quotes.
Something inspirational.
Well, I did that one time, but I feel like I'm gonna say the same quote.
What?
Just be positive. Be friendly to people, man. Don't be a fucking asshole. People are assholes.
This is true.
Just love, man. I have a sticker. It doesn't mean I always stick to it, but that's just at work. Positive vibes only, dude.
To add to that, about, what was it you said again? Be nice to people, right?
Nice to
So
people. Fuck the
when you
negativity.
say be nice to people, I agree, because you never know what that person's dealing with. You never know what that person is going through in that moment. You know, people have, you know, you might see somebody, but little do you know in that person's actual life, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
They're going through a lot and they might be struggling. So just by being positive and saying nice things to people could really change somebody's day. What do you think?
We should hashtag a sticker and like start posting it. Fuck negativity.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, I think a lot of people deal with stuff that they don't even know how to talk about it. Like, you like see a person, you're like, oh, they have the shit together, or like, you know, they seem
But
alright.
there's always still
but,
something
like,
deeper.
So yeah,
Yep,
there's always
always.
something that they're dealing with. So I think the suicide prevention hotline at 1-800-273-8255 is gonna help a lot of people. Like, everybody hits at some point where they're like, you know, I don't even know what's the point of living, or like, you know, I don't know how to deal with this. The best situation is just to end my life, and that's not the choice. And I know it takes a lot for you to realize that, and at the beginning you feel like that's all you
Easier way
have.
out. Easier
That's
way
all
out.
you have, and that's your number one choice, and
Yeah.
there's no other choices out there, or there's like no other solutions to your problems. But I am a great believer that God put you in this world for one thing, and I feel like you really need to like just find that inner peace.
So with that being said, guys, where are you at, Shane?
Hashtag fuck negativity.
We're a little dark right now because the lighting is pretty bad. Shane should be like go right there. There we go. That's perfect. Perfect. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, guys, as always, peace out.